Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Winters are almost here, and now it is time to take care of your skin in a proper way. We have to use products that do not dry out our skin and also cleanse at the same time. Today, I have with me 3 products from one brand, and these products are meant for every skin type. So let's get started. This is the Indus Valley Rose Water Toner, and this has rose flower that is going to hydrate and cleanse your skin, and grapefruit seed that is going to protect your skin from sun damage. This will brighten your skin tone, balance your skin tone, reverses aging signs, and helps prevent spots and pimples for soft, resilient skin. This is steam distilled rose water. This will help in removing your makeup. This will hydrate and refresh your skin. This reduces fine lines and wrinkles. This is the second and beautifully packed product, and this is the Indus Valley's bio-organic Ubtan face mask. This ready-to-use formula combines natural ingredients like Kasturi Haldi, coconut Malai, Besan and mango butter, and this is easily absorbed for quick results, and this reduces dullness, removes tan and moisturizes the skin naturally. Look at this cute and convenient packaging. And this is the third product, and this is the Indus Valley Brightening Pigmentation Gel. This has cow yogurt and mashobra wild honey. This gel is your go-to solution for reducing dullness, dark spots, scars and early signs of aging. This is packed with antioxidants, multivitamins and essential minerals. This will also promote a flawless and glowing skin. This is very lightweight, non-greasy and keeps your skin feeling fresh and breathable. And most importantly, this is suitable for all skin types. So I'll quickly walk you through the demo of these 3 products. I have been using the Ubtan face mask and I can definitely notice a positive change in my skin tone and texture. So let's just quickly get into the demo. This is a bio-organic Ubtan face mask, and this has a very nice and thick consistency, and you have to apply this on your face. You can apply a thin or thick layer according to your choice, and after applying you have to just massage it on your face for a good 1 to 2 minutes so that you get the best of all the natural ingredients. So as you can see, I'm massaging, and this has like small granules or something which I can feel some exfoliation as well going on. So yeah, as you can see, I'm clearly kind of rubbing it into my skin, and you have to keep doing this for like 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes is minimum. Yes, you have to do this. And after applying, this smells like temple. I mean, if you have ever visited a mandir, this smells like a temple. I don't know how good I have described this. Okay, so after keeping it for 10 minutes, you can see this has dried off, and once it is dry, you have to rub it off your skin like this. Just rub softly. You don't have to be very harsh on your skin, right? Rub it softly and then wash it off with normal water. And as you can clearly see, post washing, my skin is not red at all. My skin turns extremely red, but you can see no redness, nothing. This is very gentle for all skin types. For my skin, this is the best. I have dry sensitive skin. This is the best thing. Okay, so this is the Indus Valley Rose Water Toner, and you have to apply this by spraying a little on a cotton pad and rubbing it directly on your face. And also you can apply this by spraying a little on your face and letting it air dry. Make sure that you not wash it off because you're not supposed to wash it off. You're supposed to keep it on your face. Yeah, so you can see how non-sticky this is. Yeah, this is the Depigmentation Gel, and as you can see, this has a very nice orange kind of a color, and this has a very nice gel like consistency, and this is very lightweight, as you can clearly see. You have to apply this on your face and you have to massage it gently, and you should apply this twice a day for best results. If you can apply this at bedtime, that will be the best because your skin will get a proper 8-hour rest with this cream on your face. Yeah, and this is also very lightweight. As you can see, this just quickly gets absorbed into my skin. See, it's looking so nice, and my skin is looking so fresh. I hope you liked my take on these 3 products. I would urge you to buy these products. You have to click the link in the description box, and the link will directly take you to the products. Get your skincare products today with the coupon code IVOCT25BT for a 25% off. So yeah, do give these products a try, and I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care. Love you all.